Okay, I'm going to make a shirt here. I'm subdividing a cube once to give me a bit more of a complex shape. And then I'm going to select both vertices on top and the bottom, and I'm going to bevel them. It gives me that result. That's to create, this is the top of the shirt, let's say. That's the bottom. I'm going to insert both of these. This is the top. I'm looking to create a collar here. So I'm going to extrude that in Y, something like that. Then thinking about making this a bit more complex, giving me creating more lines really. I've selected all that. I'm just going to press C, and that connects those kind of bits. That's so I can add some detail. This is where the arms are going to go. So if I select those, press C there, that connects me there and there. So I'm going to extrude now. Yeah, okay. I'm not using mirroring here for simplicity really. I'm going to extrude by the normals, which are going to shoot the arms out a bit like that. Which is sort of okay. That's okay, and then I'm going to move them down in Y. Something like that. And then these things I'm going to use a scale, but scale axis. Scale axis in Z. To kind of squish the arms a bit. Then I'm going to bring these edges down so the shape isn't so peculiar. Something like that. Let's actually bring the bottom down a bit, like that, and maybe the middle, like that. Okay. Yeah. And for the arms here, I'm going to flatten these faces. So I'll use a flatten command in X. That's just going to flatten these out. When I'm looking at this, I'm trying to find lines across and down where I can create detail. But that's beginning to look like the basis for something a bit more complicated. One of the things I can do here is this is looking a bit wide, so I'm selecting those vertices there. I can use a command called tighten, and this just helps you sort of squish a shape in. And in our case, that sort of makes it look more like a shaped garment, something like that. Then looking across the body here, what I might do is connect those together and then connect this point with that point. So I'm just pressing, I'm selecting the vertex, pressing C. So I'll do the same here. connect that. Vertex, connect. Don't know why it's being made. And so what's happening now is, you know, I'm making, I'm creating a basic structure. I'm going to move that in the normal squishing. So this gives me a structure to start with. Now at the moment it's solid. I'm thinking about deleting those two. I'm going to inset those. At the moment it's solid, but I can hollow it out using an intrude, but I probably wouldn't do it at this stage because it makes the object a lot more difficult. But I'll do it just to kind of show you. So I'll do something like that, and now it's a hollow, you know, it's more like a garment. And that's it, smoothed. So, you know. But I actually wouldn't hollow it, so I'm going to reverse that. I wouldn't hollow it yet because I'd add more detail, more structure to the object before hollowing it out, because once it's hollow it's a lot more difficult to model, so you typically do that last.